has been cooking up many new features interestingly, and it's not another emoji update. While Meta messaging app has been working to play nice with third-party chat apps, it now looks like chatting without any app will be a reality. According to the latest beta build, WhatsApp is testing a feature known as guest chats, that is a link-based conversation that does not need the other person to have an app or even an account. Just click on the link and you're in. No install, no sign up. It's private too with end-to-end encryption baked into it. It's bare bones slow, textfully. No GIF, no calls, no media sharing, no group chats. But it's a very smart tool. Since you're traveling abroad, need to connect to the local host, but they don't need have WhatsApp. You don't use any other roaming charges as well. Guest chats can help you save the headache of figuring out how to reach or which app to download. Just send them a link and you can start chatting instantly in a one-on-one secure thread. It's important to understand how this is different from third-party chat support. That feature relies on external developers creating integration so their services can talk to WhatsApp user. In contrast, guest chats are handled within WhatsApp itself, meaning Meta is building the functionality natively. This will ensure a smoother and more consistent exposure. The feature is still in development, it is not live yet, but it could be a pretty useful tool once it rolls out. You cannot share photos, videos, or stickers. It's just for simple text chat. You cannot have any voice notes or video calls and not have any group chats as well.